This is a little office or den area. Small little room, tray ceiling. Apparently stress cracks or whatever, settling, I'm told. But the same crack that ran through the tiles is also in the foundation. So that's what happens after a couple of years in Florida. The building settles. This building went up in 2006. So in 9 years, I guess something shifted and all my tiles cracked. Thank God I kept extra boxes. If you ever tile a floor, folks, get extra boxes of tile. You just never know. Pay me now or pay me later. I'd rather pay you now than pay later. So I got about, no, actually I think maybe 1 or 2 more to go. And then clean it up and we'll see what happens. We'll let the guy lay the tile down. He wants me to do the bulwark. Oh God, I respect these guys. Hard job, hard work.